So this is a practice problem for the section using chemical formulas in Unit 7. And the problem we'll be discussing is how many molecules are there in 25 grams of H2SO4. And we are given the number of grams, 25.0, and our unknown is the number of molecules of H2SO4. In order to find the molecules, you first need to find the number of moles. In order to do that, you multiply the mass of the compound, the given, that's 25.0, times the 1 mole of the molecule over the molar mass of the molecule, which can be found by going to the periodic table and looking for these specific elements. And first you go to hydrogen, and then look at this number under the symbol, and it's 1.008. And looking that there are 2 hydrogens, you multiply this number by 2. You then go to sulfur, take this number, and then lastly oxygen, and then since there are 4 here, you multiply this number by 4. And then you take all those numbers and you add them all together, keeping significant figures in mind, and you end up with 82.07 grams of H2SO4. You then multiply this out, multiplying 25 by 1 and dividing it by 82.07, which equals 0.305 moles. When doing this, you also have to keep in mind, again, significant figures of this 25 and this. And since there are only 3 significant figures here, there will only be 3 significant figures in the answer. Now to step 2, where we find the number of molecules. In order to do that, you take the amount of compound in moles, which is up here, and multiply it by Avogadro's number. So 0.305 moles times 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules over 1 mole. This is also dimensional analysis in that these terms cancel out, leaving you with molecules as your final. And so you multiply 0.305 times 6.022, keeping in mind again significant figures, there are only 3 here, so there will only be 3 in your answer because this is multiplication. And it comes out to 1.84 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. And that is the final answer.